Hello children, this video is going to help you with how to form your numbers correctly. But first of all, you need to warm your arms and your fingers up. So let's start with an arm stretch. I want you to do some big hoops with one of your arms. You could do them bigger than me, but if I do them too big, you won't be able to see them on the screen. So make hoop or circle shapes in the air and get smaller and smaller. Then change hands and do it with the other hand, because some of us are right-handed, some of us are left-handed. Keep going, but you do them nice and big in the air. Get smaller and smaller until you get to the middle. Now let's do a finger stretch. So put your hand out in front of you, fingers together, and then stretch them out wide. Feel that nice stretch. Back together, stretch again. 3 times for good luck. Brilliant. Now the other hand, in case you're left-handed. Together, out in a nice stretch. Together, out, back in, and a last nice stretch. Give them a little shake now. Now, when you're forming your numbers, make sure you're sat properly in your chair. So you should have both feet on the floor, and you should have your pencil or pen, you should be holding it correctly, and make sure that you have your back on the back of the chair. So your chair should be tucked in nicely and your tummy just gently touching the table but not squashing it. So when you're sure you're sat properly, tilt your page or your board a little bit depending on which hand you write with, and we're going to start with 0. So it's just like the letter O, and it's like the curly caterpillar letters. So we go this way round as if we're doing a curly-ca, and then back to the beginning. Let's do it 3 times so we get it just right. Try to get them all the same size. So we don't start at the very top, we start here. We're starting at 1 o'clock, like the numbers on a clock. Okay, then have a look and choose your favourite. I think I like the middle one best, so I'm going to underline the best one. Okay, now number 1. Oh, that's so easy. We start at the top and a nice straight line down. And again, try and keep them all the same size. I think I like that one the best. Number 2. So again, we start at the top, we go over, and then we start to come down with a diagonal line and across the bottom. And again. And once more. I think that one's my favourite one. That looks the neatest. Number 3. So it starts like the number 2 here at the top. We curve it over, into the middle, and out again. Same again. And last one. I think I like the last one again. Number 4. Now this one has only straight lines. Start at the top again, so we haven't had any that start at the bottom yet. We go straight down, straight across, take off our pen or pencil, and a straight line down the middle. Down, across, straight down. Down, across, straight down. Okay. Now number 5. Again, we start at the top and we go straight across, down halfway, and then we do a round tummy. Across, down, round tummy. Across, down, round tummy. You might find it easiest if you do one number at a time and then pause the video so you can remember the correct formation for each one. Oh, I forgot to underline my favourite one. I think it's the middle one this time. And the middle one on that one. Number 6. Starts here at the top, curve it round, keep your pen or pencil on and go round again to there. All curvy lines for this one. Starts a bit like a curly K again. That's my favourite one. Number 7, straight lines, back to straight lines. Start at the top, across and down, across and down, across and down. I think I like the middle one best. Number 8. Now, if you know how to do your letter S the right way round, then 8 is quite easy. You just start the same way. So imagine you're doing the letter S, but then when you get to here, you go back to the beginning, curve it round. Wiggly S, wiggle back again. S, wiggle back. That's probably the trickiest one of all. I think I like the middle one best. And we're going to finish off with a number 9. Now this one is the one that I think most children don't quite do properly. I think a lot of you start at the bottom and none of them start at the bottom. The rule is we always start at the top. So number 9 is like a little curly K, up here, back up, and then straight down. So it's a mixture of curved lines and then straight at the end. So look, I'm starting at the top and I'm finishing at the bottom. I think I see a lot of you do that. Not right. Don't see that anymore. Now I expect to see these sorts of 9s, and that one's my favourite. Okay, have a go everybody. Maybe pause it in between each number to give you time to practice. And now you know how to form all your numbers correctly. I'm looking forward to seeing all that fantastic maths in your portfolios with correctly formed numbers. Good luck.